Welcome to today's video. In this session, we will explore The Lost Child, a touching short story written by Mulk Raj Anand, one of India's most celebrated writers in English. Known for his deep empathy towards ordinary people and his simple yet powerful storytelling, Anand often depicted human emotions against the backdrop of everyday life. The Lost Child is a moving tale about a young boy who visits a fair with his parents. At first, the story captures his innocent desires for toys, sweets, and rides. But as events unfold, it transforms into a heart-rending exploration of a child's love for his parents, showing how nothing in the world can replace them. The story begins with a joyful spring festival. Families fill the streets, some walking, some riding in carts or on horses. Among them is a little boy with his parents brimming with excitement. As they walk, the child is drawn to everything he sees: brightly painted toys, buzzing dragonflies, flowers, balloons, music, and sweets. Each time he asks his parents for something, he either senses refusal or is gently distracted. Still, he remains curious and full of wonder. Finally, they reach the fair. There, the boy longs for barfi, his favorite sweet, and is tempted by garlands of flowers, colorful balloons, and the music of a snake charmer. Most of all, he wishes to ride the roundabout. But when he turns to ask his parents, he realizes they are not there. Panic sets in. The cheerful fair now becomes a frightening maze. The boy cries out for his mother and father, his joy replaced by fear and desperation. A kind man notices the weeping child and tries to comfort him by offering rides, balloons, flowers, and sweets. But the child refuses everything. Over and over, he sobs the same heartbreaking words: I want my mother, I want my father. Through this simple yet profound story, Anand shows how a child's world revolves entirely around the love and security of parents. All the attractions that once fascinated him lose meaning once he feels lost and alone. Through this short story, the author discusses the themes of parental love, innocence of childhood, fear and insecurity, and the value of family over material things. The Lost Child remains one of Mulkraj Anand's most memorable stories, reminding us of the true priorities in life: love, care, and family.